Hello, good morning friends. I am Salik Katane working as a subject assistant at Diet Gondia. Today we will discuss on work and energy. Today's topic is work. What is work? When an object is displaced by applying a force on it, work is said to be done. Look at this picture. Tie a string to an empty box. Pull the empty box through a distance of 10 meters along a straight line. Now look at this second picture. Now fill the same box with 20 books. Pull the box again through a distance of 10 meters in a straight line. What was the expense of this time? You feel that more work was done in the second step. Means more work is done for the same displacement when more force is applied to do work. If the same force is applied for the more displacement, more work is done by the force. Forms of energy. First is mechanical energy. The energy used for doing mechanical work is called mechanical energy. There are two types of mechanical energy. Look at this chart. Type of mechanical energy. One is potential energy and second is kinetic energy. Potential energy. Look at this picture. When we apply the force on rubber, the rubber band is released after stretching it. Look at this picture. When the rubber of catapult is stretched and released, it comes back to original state and the stone flies off. The energy which is stored in an object due to a specific state or position of that object is called potential energy. Kinetic energy. Look at these two pictures. Take two balls, let one of them stand stable at the center of the table. Place the second ball on the table and push it so that it hits the first ball. What happens when the second ball hits the first one? We give energy to the marble or the striker and set them in motion. The energy obtained from motion is called kinetic energy. In the game of marble, from where does the one marble get energy to set another marble in motion? While playing carom, from where does the striker get the energy to make this piece move? Heat energy. The earth receives heat in proper quantities from the sun. That is how an atmospheric temperature favorable to the living world is maintained. Heat is a form of energy. Sunlight contains heat energy. Heat is produced by burning of fuel. Heat energy is used in kitchen all the time. Heat is measured in the unit calorie. Light energy. Plants make their own food with the help of sunlight. It means that light energy is transformed into the energy in food. Plants and animals use this food for doing their work. It means that light is a form of energy. Sound energy. The glass panes of windows crack due to a loud noise. Similarly, sound is used to control the movement of some toy cars. This means that some work is done by sound. It tells us that sound is a form of energy. Chemical energy. When wood burns, we get heat and light. The energy stored in wood is emitted in various forms through chemical action. Also, it is due to the chemical action in the lead acid battery that electrical energy is produced. The energy obtained through chemical action is called chemical energy. Thank you friends for watching this video.